Good morning. Today is July 6, Monday. The first reading was taken from Hosea chapter 2 verses 14, 15 to 16, 19 to 20. Behold, I will allure her and bring her into the wilderness and speak tenderly to her. And there she shall answer as in the days of her youth, as at time when she came out of the land of Egypt, and in the day, declares the Lord. You will call me my husband, and no longer will you call me my Baal, and I will betroth you to me forever. I will betroth you to me in righteousness and in justice, in steadfast love and in mercy. I will betroth you to me in faithfulness, and you shall know the Lord. The Lord is kind and full of compassion. I will bless you day after day and praise your name forever. The Lord is great and highly be praised. His greatness cannot be measured. The Lord is kind and full of compassion. Age to age shall proclaim your works, shall declare your mighty deeds. They will tell you of your great glory and splendor, and recount your wonderful works. The Lord is kind and full of compassion. They will speak of your awesome deeds, recount your greatness and might. They will recall your abundant goodness and sing of your just deeds with joy. The Lord is kind and full of compassion. The Lord is kind and full of compassion, slow to anger, abounding in mercy. How good is the Lord to all, compassionate to all his creatures. Today's Gospel was taken from Matthew chapter 9 verses 18 to 26. While Jesus was speaking, behold, a ruler came in and knelt before him, saying, My daughter has just died, but come and lay your hand on her, and she will live. And Jesus rose and followed him with his disciples. And behold, a woman who had suffered from a discharge of blood for 12 years came up behind him and touched the fringe of his garment. For she said to herself, If I only touch his garment, I will be well. Jesus turned and seeing her, he said, Take heart, daughter, your faith has made you well. And instantly the woman has made well. And when Jesus came to the ruler's house and saw the flute players and the crowd making a commotion, he said, Go away, for the girl is not dead but sleeping. And they laughed at him. But when the crowd had been put outside, he went in and took her by the hand, and the girl arose, and report of this went through all that district. The word of the Lord. Here we encounter two intertwined miracles, the healing of a woman with a hemorrhage and the rising of Jairus' daughter. Jairus, a synagogue leader, approaches Jesus with faith, seeking healing for his dying daughter. On the way, a woman who has suffered for 12 years touches Jesus' cloak, believing that even a mere touch could bring healing. Jesus acknowledges her faith and heals her. When Jesus arrives at Jairus' house, he raises the girl from the dead, demonstrating his power over life and death. This passage highlights the profound impact of faith and the compassionate and transformative power of Jesus. It reminds us that faith in Jesus can bring healing and restoration, and that he is deeply responsive to our needs and suffering. Good morning and have a blessed day.